You don't have a hearing problem, you have a noise problem. God is always speaking, but not always in noise. He speaks through stillness. He speaks through His word. He speaks peace and not pressure. Sometimes the problem is not that God is silent, it's that life is too loud. Too many voices, too many distractions, too many opinions, and His voice get lost in the noise. So if you want to hear God clearly, slow down. So create quiet moments, stay in His word, pay attention to His peace, because God is not trying to confuse you.